Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we will see how you can convert any particular file or folder into a zip file or folder. So first let's find the file that we want to make zip of. For example, I have this particular folder right here which says sample videos. Now if I want to make the zip version of this particular folder, you need any compression tool like the WinRAR or 7-zip. In this tutorial, we will be using the WinRAR software. It is a free software which is available to download. Now, once you have downloaded the WinRAR, you need to simply right click on the particular folder that you want to compress and save it as a zip file. Now, from here, you can hover on the WinRAR option that will appear. From here, you can see the Add to Archive button. Simply click on the Add to Archive button. From here, this dialog box appears which lets you select the archive format. From here you can select zip. Now it will give us some other compression method which will state the compression of this particular folder. Now if you want to just make it to store, it will be the fastest compression if you choose it to fastest, and then there is the best compression which will give you the best compression method, and the zip file will be of the smaller size or the smallest size. So for the sake of this particular video, I will be using the fastest method so that it speeds up our process, but you can keep it to default or normal. So once you are done setting these parameters, you need to click on the OK button. Simply click on the OK button and it will start processing up any of the folder that you have. Once all of this is done, here you can see that a zip file has been created for your particular folder, which says the sample videos.zip. Now you can extract it to use it or share it. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.